Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my face first time, then I'm Sonam Raotole. I do a lot of stuff on my YouTube channel: makeup, skincare, hair care, vlogs, some paintings. I do take up classes online also. So if you're interested, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. So hello, I'm here back and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my normal makeup. And if you want to know any of the products what I use and all, please comment below, or it will be in the description box. Go and check it out. You can hear some noise, but please do ignore it and watch this video. Firstly, I do use this Garnier. If you are with me from first, then you know I always use Garnier when I do my normal makeup. And here I'm taking this so much. I'll just put it on my hands like this, and I'm just going to massage it and just apply it to my face. So about my painting, where I reached and all. Yeah, so I have just half finished my painting, and I just wanted to upload it because it is like first part, and this painting you will be getting some 4 to 5 parts. So yeah, this painting is really huge, and so that's the thing. And yeah, after this I'll show you everything where I reached and all. But this painting is getting really close to my heart, and yeah, I'm loving it. The flowers, the human figures and everything and all. Yeah, I'm loving it so much. So yeah, comment below and let me know like what do you feel about this artwork. Okay, after applying my moisturizer, keep it for a while, and I'm just going to use my sunscreen. You can use any of the sunscreen. For just to know like what I'm using today is this Lotus Safe Sun, and this is sunblock SPF 50, and I'm just going to spray it on my palms like this, massage it and apply it on face. Tap beauty blender, just blend it all. Wait for a while and let this just get absorbed, and then I'm going to use the primer. This is the pore filling primer from PAC, and I'm just going to take a little amount of it and warm it up. Just take it, warm it up, and just apply, massage. I'm going to use this LA Pro Coverage. This is the shade number GLM42 Fair, and I'm just going to take one pump, very little. I don't need a lot of foundation onto my skin. Apply it under my eyes. I'm just going to warm it up here, apply it under my eyes. Wherever you have pigmentation, you can just apply it over there. Okay, and I'm just going to put it all over my lid also. Just take it really little and work it up. Okay, a little bit of my mouth side. Okay, a little bit over my mouth. I'm going to take my beauty blender and just going to blend everything what I applied. Take this Fix Plus from MAC, apply it to my skin and just blend it. Because I have used really little foundation, so it just gets dried up really soon. So go and blend it all. बने के दीवाने मेरा पीछा ना कर, तेरी मेरी यारी होनी मुश्किल है, तेरी मेरी यारी होनी मुश्किल है, कभी कभी जमी जाए, कभी कभी जाए, आशिक नहीं तू मेरा दुश्मन है. I don't know why this song is coming again and again. What is? Yesterday I had made some reels on this song, I think because of that. So I'm just going to blend everything properly. Sealer, this is from Maybelline Medium 25, a little bit into my corner and outside, a little bit into my corners, and outside. I'm just going to blend this with my beauty blender. Okay, just go really nicely. Okay, after that I'm going to take this I'm going to take this super fresh white Maybelline powder. I don't know if this is discontinued or it's available, so you can just go and check it out. I'm just going to swirl this with my damn beauty blender, and I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid. After that I'm going to take this like a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to move all over my face. This palette, I think most of you have seen this palette. It's like I have made this palette was over, so I have 3 highlighters over here and 3 blushes and 1 contour. This is from Wet n Wild, so I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild contour, and this is the one side, and I'm just going to contour my lids very softly. Okay, I'm just going to take like type of brush which is really sleek and also fluffy. Just take it, grab it. I'm just going to keep it into my crease. That's it. Okay, and just try to blend outside. Okay, and the lid is clear. If you want me to make like this type of palettes, how I create this, then do comment me below so I can make a palette and show you guys how I do this. So, and this is like, I love this palette because whatever I like I can just dump into this, and whenever I travel I can just take one palette and travel. So that is amazing. Yeah, I'm just going to take this palette. This is from Urban Mac, and this palette, the pigmentation is amazing. It retails for $3.99 something, no, $2.99 or $300 something. I have reviewed this palette, everything. I have showed you tutorial also on this palette. Go and check it out on my channel. This is a beautiful palette. If you're a startup, then it's good, it's really nice. Go and check it out. Okay, now I'm going to take this peach shade from here. Yeah, this peach shade from here, and I'm just going to dust it. As I'm wearing red, so I just want some peachy tone going on. So yes, into my grease. Today I'm going to make some reels for my Instagram. So if you have not still followed me on Instagram, go and follow. What are you doing? For what are you waiting? Go and follow me. And yes, now I'm going to take this powder and just move your brush and just apply into your lid like this. Okay, and today I'm going to take this lipstick, and I have this really nice liner with me, and I'm just going to, I love this liner because it's a beautiful liner. Really beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to put a line over here and over here, black line. And just blend everything so everything blends really nicely. For my blush, I'm going to take this orange shade from here. Now I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty palette, and I'm just going to carve my eyebrows. Let's do it. It's 415 shade number, and this is really nice mauve shade. Maybelline Master Comb. So yes, this is my final look. I'll just create my final look and I'll come back soon. So yes, this is my final look. If you like this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Bye.